Very good morning to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, let me share with you how you can use your Google Meet account to insert your video inside the IBES or inside a Moodle package for the purpose of your teaching and learning. All right, so the first one, you have to go inside your Google account, and then you can navigate your Google account, and then you can proceed something like this. Okay, let me just share with you the idea. So this is the idea of the setting up your Google account. So let me just share my screen over here. So I'm so sorry if the screen is being duplicated or being mirrored in so not good position, because I just want to share with you how to do that so that you know where to click the button and so on. So I'm actually recording the video using the Google Meet account. So this Google Meet account, you can log in using your preferral given by your authority. So you have to use the account. So at example, this is my account. So this account is actually going to record everything, and then I'm going to insert a new recording. So to insert new recording, just go over new tab inside here, and then perhaps you can just type Google Meet. Okay, just go to the Google Meet, and then you can initiate the code. Okay, just go to the Meet over here, and then you can ask for the code. All right, so I already log in to my preferrals account. So this account is actually controlled by admin, and then they purchase the Google Suite account. So to do that, just go to the new meeting and then create meeting for later. So this is the very important one. So we need this code. So you can just copy it. So after you copy your code link, all right? So let me just move my screen over here so that I can share with you how to manipulate it on your another screen. So the next step is actually paste it on your any notepad or any Word application so that you did not miss any link with regard to the use in the future. So I already copy, I think. Yeah. So let me just double check. I'm so sorry, just to make a confirmation, just double check the code that already been generated. So of course, you can create the new meet just now, and then create a meeting letter, and then you can copy. Okay, you can copy the message link. Okay, so let me just paste it. Okay, so this is the message link. Or this is the meeting link, sorry. So the meeting link are going to be inserted inside our LMS. So the first one to set it up on our LMS, just go to the ibes.lkkmsb.edu.my, and then you can proceed with the login over here. Please do login using your own credential, and then just hit the login button over there. And then I'm going to navigate one of my subject, which is we call it as the environmental epidemiology and also biostatistics. So one of the course that I teach and share with the candidate of environmental health professional is actually with regard to the use of epidemiology and applied biostatistics in their work as a PKP in the future, inshallah. So we are going to navigate it through. So I may want to focus more on my own topic. So I will teach the confident intervals in the near future. So I already create the notes and so on. So I just want to insert the most important thing part is of course your attendance, okay? Your attendance and also the lecture evaluation. So I have the lecture evaluations and also attendance over here on my colleague side. So I'm just going to copy it, because in Moodle you can just copy and paste because the module and activities are actually the same, but of course the content probably being different from one to another. So let me just copy it first and then paste it inside my own class. Okay, so let me just double check so that I did not okay, see, I accidentally take the original version, so it may disturb the flow of my friend. So let me just do it again. Okay, so this is the copy. Make sure it is a copy. All right, so I have the lecture evaluation copy and also attendance copy, and then this copy will be used inside my own topics. Okay, so I'm just going to drag it here. Okay, so another one is attendance. Okay, here. All right, done. It's finished. So the notes can be inserted in the middle between the attendance and also the lecturer evaluation. So let me just rename this one. So the unit 6 is basically talking about the confident intervals. Confident intervals. Interval. Okay. And then similarly, for the lecturer evaluation also, we need to make some sort of idea over here. Unit 6. Unit 6 is the confident interval. Interval. Okay, good. So for the purpose of artistic, so let me just make it standardized like that. All right. So the first step that I'm going to insert is, of course, I can go over here and end activity or resources and choose what we call it as the Google Meet for Moodle. So this is the plugin that already being installed by the Moodle manager under our committee. So you can just put here as lecture for topic 6. Okay, double dot, confident interval. Okay, confident interval. Okay, so after you do that, then do not forget to put some description if you want. So usually what I will insert here is basically a picture or a pictogram or a graphical mechanism so that the students can have much more interacted with it. And then the event date, of course, I can specify, and then I also can justify when the date is. But of course, I'm going to leave it behind there. And then we got the recurrence of date, and then we got the room URL. Okay, so you have to basically put this URL inside your adding a new Google Meet. Okay, so this one, when you want to open it, make sure that you open it on your account that been given by your administrator that can record those meeting. Okay, so that you do not need to open your own recording device. You can just proceed with it, and then you can just use the restrict access and then activity completion if you wish. I will do that also in this video. So let me just finish it up by just put the save and display, so everything are in order already. But of course I need to do something, right? So to do something that is very beautiful in terms of managing the content in your IBES is basically after the students are completing their attendance, then they can go to my lecture topic. So to do that, I may want to proceed with the editing of my confident interval attendance worksheet. So I may want to put some sort of activity completion over here. Student can mark the activity as completed. I'm going to use the student must submit this questionnaire to complete it. Okay, so that's mean if they submit this questionnaire, what will happen? They will got marks. Okay, to set up those marks, basically you have to use something to do with all these things. Okay, so you can just go to response, okay, and then the type is response 1. The response type is basically the full name, and then we can give the submission grade. You see, this is the submission grade. So the grade must be something that you can clearly indicate, so that we know that this student is complete their submissions of their attendance. Okay, and then that attendance also can be further restrict based on a certain time and also date, so that the student only can fill up their form prior to the initial entering our future Google Meet meeting. All right. So to set it up, just go to this edit setting again, and then you can set it under the restriction access. Okay. Under the restriction access, we can call upon, and then we can tell the Moodle that the student must complete their activity first. So what kind of activities? Of course, they need to complete the activities with regard to the attendance. They need to complete the attendance first. Okay. Must be marked complete, must be complete with pass grade. Okay, we can also stated that one, but of course we do not have the quiz, right? So we just put must be marked complete. So when they mark complete means what? Means they submit first. So when they submit those attendance, then automatically this link are available for them. So it is become a very comprehensive and an automation kind of mechanism. So we can just wait inside our room and then wait for the students to come upon, and then they are already insert their attendance, and then they can join our lecture inside our Google Meet account. So that is the idea. All right. So that is only the things that I want to share today for the benefit of all of you that using this IBES LKKM blended e-learning system. Hopefully this video is very useful to you. If you got any comment with regard to the use of the Google Meet and also all the features inside our Moodle setup by the IBES committee, please do comment and give the like for this video so that all of you can get benefit from this sharing. With that, thank you very much. See you again next time. Wassalamualaikum and bye-bye.